Do not feel overshadowed by the brilliance of others. This life, given to you just once, has a unique reason for you to shine, whether it be through sincerity, bravery, diligence, or kindness. You must live with more self-confidence than anyone else, confidently emanating the distinctive light that is all your own. One day, you will understand that what can heal you is not the time itself, but your inner resilience and acceptance. Do you believe in fate? Heaven has set you on a difficult path, which is a test for you. If you succumb to fate, your destiny will never change. What heaven has not taken away is your autonomy. It will reward every person who dares to fight against fate. Only by enduring the pain of suffering can there be the beauty of rebirth in despair.